Good morning, and today I want to show you how to set up PPTP VPN on your system. Actually, I'm using Windows 11 as the operating system. So let's go to the setting up of this PPT uh, configuration on your system. Number one, the first step you need to do is by going to the settings. Here is the settings, and from there you go to the network and internet here, and from here you can see VPN here, and actually I'm having two VPN that I've set, but I will show you the step by step on how to do this. So first you need to go to add VPN, and from here you will see this VPN provider. You click on Windows inbuilt, and then the connection name you can put any name just for you to identify the VPN, the type of or the VPN you want to set up. That VPN, let me say 333, and then here at these of server name and the address, it could be two type. In some configuration you can have some addresses like 175.11.24.25, and some can use something like plx.domain.com. so either of the two depend on what you have. Then on this VPN type, you have to pick this point-to-point tunnel protocol. Then on your username, just pick the username and password. Here we have smart card, one-time password and certificate code. The common one is username and password. So, and here you have to put your the username, then here the password, then here this option will allow you to save these credentials to your settings automatically, and anytime you want to sign in, it won't pop up the username and password for you. So here you have to save it. So let me just try this, the one I have done. You will see the effect now. It will show connected. So that's how you can set your PPTP VPN. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.